Tea time with Trav. Judges and police officers, they abuse that power quite often. Don't tell me to shut my mouth. You're not my mother, you're not my father. Don't think I'm gonna yes sir you, yes ma'am you. No, I'm not about to bow down to anybody. I don't care who you are. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv, and I'm back, baby back. I'm back again, y'all. I have stuffed bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange. It's just stuffed with ground beef, cheese, and rice. That's it. Some cilantro on top. Nothing major. So, I'm going to take rest, and then I'm about to get right into the food because I'm hungry. Father God, I come today to ask you over this food. Please, be a nourishment to my body. Please, let me not just this food properly. Me and my prayer. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. How was y'all day going today? We got our first bite. You already know. Juicy pepper. It's good. I feel like my face is gonna get messy. Y'all, I just got back from the gym. Today I worked on legs. I worked on thighs, my calves, and my buttocks. Good. I always wonder who thought to cut open a bell pepper and stuff it. I'm sure y'all it was somebody who they didn't have the money, but they were tired of eating the same old stuff. So I said, how can I remix this to make it look gourmet? That's what it was. Now I'm blaming. But when you're on a budget, you get real creative. I know people that take the ramen, the ones that's like 30 cents or something like that. They season them bad boys, fry them. They put them some shrimp. They grill the shrimp. Like you would never even know that the 30-cent pack of ramen. Trying to see that. I was scared it was gonna fall. Is it on my face? Probably. Don't even worry about it. I feel like I'm making a mess, y'all. This just pepper. Ain't nothing in there. I don't eat that part. Yo, my stomach is growling. I'm feeding you. It's just going, y'all. Just a ramen. It got like that. It started doing that randomly. And I realized that it was like, it started to happen after I got stomach cancer. Like my stomach would just make the most random noise whenever it wants to. Especially when it's hungry. Don't let it be hungry. It's really going to yell at you. But it will definitely make some noise whenever it wants to. Wait, hold on, wait, don't fall now. Do. I'm going to start conversation in just un minuto. 1 minute. Did I say it right? I don't know. That part was hot. Yeah, I'm going to start conversation right now. I just cool down a little bit. Because clearly I'm being greedy. Might need me enough water. Yeah, I need me another water. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, now we are back. So let's go ahead and get into this conversation. Tea time with Trav. Boom. So I was watching a video yesterday. 2 days yesterday. I don't know. I keep watching it. I ain't gonna lie. But in the video, it was a virtual court because of COVID. And there was a guy who was there. He was at work. So, of course, he had his work attire, but he's in Zoom on his cell phone, which a lot of people are doing. The judge is going in on him, telling him don't ever walk into his courtroom like that. First off, he's not in your courtroom. It's online. Secondly, he's like, if you can't dress properly, I'll dress you. Do you know what that means? I'll send you to jail and they'll dress you in the jumpsuit. And I'm just like, it was too much. And he's like, do you understand me? And then a girl intervened and she was like, that's kind of bold for you to say something like that because we're in virtual court. Everybody is at home. You can't expect somebody to get dressed up at home. No, that's not happening. And he tell her to shut her mouth before she be in jail, etc. And y'all, she cursed him out. I can't even say these curse words in this video. One, because YouTube don't be playing, but two, I got children that watch. But y'all just go watch the video. I wish them people would say that she was wrong for what she did. And I get where people are coming from, but I wholeheartedly understand where she's coming from. When people like judges and police officers have position of power, they abuse that power quite often. Don't tell me to shut my mouth. You're not my mother. You're not my father. Don't think I'm gonna yes sir you, yes ma'am you. No, I'm nobody's puppet. I'm nobody's slave. I'm not about to bow down to anybody. I don't care who you are. Respect me and I will respect you. I don't care what your title is. Don't talk to me like that. No, nobody on this earth is gonna tell me to shut my mouth and think I'm gonna do it. It's not gonna happen like that. Never. I don't care. We're all adults here. I don't care what degree you have, what job title you have, how much money you make. Don't talk to me like I'm your child, because I'm not. My own mother don't even tell me to shut my mouth. Like, No, and since when? I done been to court plenty of times for traffic violations. And I've never dressed up. That's what I'm dressing up for. All I'm doing is walking to the courtroom. You're going to say, did you run the stop sign? Did you run the red light? Whatever the case may be. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say no. I might say NOLO. NOLO is when you're not pleading guilty or not guilty. What am I dressing up for? And also, when you get a ticket, they don't say, they say, here's your court date, be there. They don't say, here's your court date, be there. You got to wear this, you got to wear that, you can't wear this, can't wear that. No. I feel like the only people that should dress up for court is like if it's a trial, you know, it's somebody on trial for like murder or something or bank robbery or something. Then okay, cool. If I'm going there for a traffic violation, I'm not going to dress up. I didn't wear basketball shorts to court, jogging pants, t-shirt. I don't care. There ain't no dress code for no traffic violation. That judge did the most. And he needs to be checked. And I was glad she did it. Now, I don't know what happened to her after the fact. I don't think she went to jail because I did end up finding her Instagram and I went through it and I seen that she's been posting. So I don't think she went to jail. And if she did, she got right out. But I didn't like that. How are you going to threaten somebody? You're going to threaten as a judge, as your holy honor or whatever they say. Abuse your power and threaten to put somebody in jail because they didn't dress to your liking. Who the hell are you? That did not sit right with me at all. That ain't sit right with me. And some people try to make it about race, like on Twitter. And I don't think, I could be being naive, but to me, I didn't think that it was about race. Could it have been? Absolutely. We're in America. But I don't think it was because I've seen black judges, Asian judges, white judges. I've seen all kind of judges talk to people, anybody, in their courtroom like they ain't nothing. I'm not beneath you. Because when you come up off that stand, we both human. You sleep the same way I sleep. You eat the same way I sleep. You bleed the same way I sleep. We are human. That job title don't mean nothing. And God forbid you lose that job title, then you're definitely going to be the same as me. And I'm really not going to show you no respect. I'm going to remind you the way you disrespected me. I don't play that. I don't. And it was just so... Oh, I wish I could insert the clip right here, right now, but I know I can't. Now, y'all, I'm not 100% taking up for her. She did talk out of turn, whatever. I get it. But somebody needed to say something to that judge because clearly nobody's been saying anything. Because that I can guarantee you. The way that he was yelling at them, that was not his first time at the rodeo. But talking to me like that, you would have rethought whatever the word is, going back to that rodeo. That, like, I'm not finna sit here and, try to fight a judge or anything like that. That's absolutely stupid. But I am, however, going to tell you in the most polite way possible, watch who you're talking to. Like, I don't care. Y'all, I'm honestly not scared of anybody. Literally nobody. Except the leprechaun. But he's not even human, so he don't count. And I demand respect. The same way they want you to stand up when they walk in room. I never understood that either because I don't know who the hell you think you are once again. But whatever. You want me to respect your courtroom? Respect me. Period. You know what I mean? Act like I got some sense in here. You should probably do the same. You should probably act like your mother taught you how to treat people. Nobody is beneath you in that way. I don't care what they teach y'all in judge school, law school, police officer training, firefighter training. I don't care. They need to teach y'all some manners and some respect. Because I wish a judge would talk to me like that. I wish. Because I won't shut up. I won't be disrespectful. But I'm going to get you together. I'm back my tongue. And that shouldn't be allowed. Let's not be allowed. People need to put respect on everybody's name. Period. That's a number. But speaking of videos, let me tell you about another video I saw on Facebook. Facebook just be crazy. Well, that video, the judge when I saw on Instagram, and then Twitter, and then Facebook. But this girl was on Facebook Live. And she was driving. So the camera's clearly, like, I don't know, it's like in the passenger seat or something. But you can see her full body as she's driving. And you see her like yelling at people. She's like, move, get out the way. Like singing the song by Ludacris. And she kept turning this way. And the road is this way. The steering wheel is right here. The road is this way. Keep your eye on the wheel, people. She keep turning this way. She look over. Boom. You hear the accident happen, y'all. You see glass fly past her face. And you see the airbags come out. And I said, oh, let me dump some of this juice out. And I said, oh my God. But she was fine. So I thought. Y'all, there's a part 2 to her video. She's like, oh, y'all, I just got into an accident. Let me call y'all back. And I instantly started laughing, not because she got into an accident, but because she said, let me call y'all back. But she was on live. Like, she wasn't on a phone call. And before she ends the live, you see her driving off. She said, I'm not finna stop. I'm going to keep going. And then the video ends, and I was just like, did she just do a hit and run? Now, she made a part 2. I didn't get to watch the whole video. But you see one of her arms are in the cast. So she obviously was in a real accident. Like, this wasn't anything fake for her to go viral. And her airbags are still deployed in this car. And she's telling us the story. Apparently, the tow truck came and got her car after the accident. They took to the junkyard. And they were trying to tell her that, it's totaled. And she was like, nuh-uh. I bought this car cash. I'm driving away. Do it still drive? They say yes. She made them release her car, y'all. She was driving the car that she had got into an accident with, and the airbags were still hanging out the dang on steering wheel. I'm about full, y'all. And I said, you know what? It's some crazy stuff on this internet. Like, it don't make no sense. This stuff you see on Beyonce's internet. Whew. I'm full. So I am about to go ahead and sign out. Yeah. So if you have not already, check out the websites in the description box below. www.AyooTravv.com. Then get the ASOS, the A-Match, all day, whatever. If not, subscribe to the channel, the red bar right there, boom, hit the bell right there, boom. So we never find these stuff, thumbs up video, but if you want to stay connected with the AyooTravv, jump back to the description box down the bottom, brr, boom. Right there on the social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You already know. Add me, follow me. Let me come on Instagram. Let me come on do whatever. Let me know. Like what's done. I was wanting to see what's done. What's done. What's done. What's done. Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. Peace. I'm gonna get a shirt like that with my face on it out there.